Ever wondered if your crypto could buy you a coffee? Or maybe something bigger, like a new TV? The world of digital currency often feels like a separate universe, one where you can't just swipe a card and make a purchase. But what if I told you there's a way to bridge that gap? A simple, seamless way to spend your Bitcoin just like you would your regular money, anywhere in the world that accepts Visa. This isn't a futuristic fantasy, it's a reality, and it's all thanks to the Bitwala Visa card. For years, the biggest hurdle for crypto users has been usability. You could buy and sell, trade and hold, but when it came to everyday purchases, you were stuck. You have to go through a complicated process of cashing out your crypto, transferring it to your bank, and then waiting for the funds to clear. It was slow, inconvenient, and frankly, a bit of a headache. The Bitwala Visa card changes all of that. It's not just a card, it's a key that unlocks your crypto's potential, turning it from a speculative asset into a practical tool for daily life. So, how does it work? It's surprisingly simple. First, you need a Bitwala account. If you don't have one, it's easy to set up. Once your account is active, you can order your free Bitwala Visa debit card directly from the app. When it arrives, you link it to your Bitwala Bitcoin wallet. This is where the magic happens. The card acts as a direct conduit to your crypto holdings. Now, let's get to the main event, paying with it. The process is identical to using any other Visa card. You can use it online, in physical stores, at ATMs, or even for contactless payments. When you're at the checkout, just present your Bitwala Visa card and the transaction will go through. But what's happening in the background? In real time, the card draws the necessary funds from your Bitcoin wallet, automatically converting the exact amount of crypto required for your purchase into euros. This happens instantly, so you're not waiting around. The merchant receives euros, and you've just paid with Bitcoin without them even knowing. There are no preloading fees, no hidden conversion costs, and no need to manually exchange your crypto before you spend it. The process is completely automated, taking the guesswork and hassle out of using your digital currency. You can track all your transactions in the Bitwala app, giving you a clear overview of your spending and your remaining balance. This level of transparency and control is a game changer for anyone who wants to integrate crypto into their daily financial routine. Imagine the possibilities. You could buy groceries with Bitcoin, fill up your car, or book a flight using the value of your digital assets. The Bitwala Visa card breaks down the wall between traditional finance and the crypto world, making your digital currency as liquid and spendable as cash. It's a powerful tool that gives you the freedom to use your crypto whenever and wherever you want. It's not just a card, it's financial freedom in your wallet. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.